love that there's not too many people when we entered. I was expecting there's gonna be a line. I'm not sure if a lot of people know about this. Hey guys! So we're on the way to Disneyland. Sorry my camera is a little crooked. I'm trying to hold it up too. But yeah, we're on the way to Disneyland. It's about 6:50 right now. We've been driving for around maybe almost 30 minutes, 20-30 minutes. We're just gonna go there for a day. I have my two little ones at the back. Today I'm gonna show you guys the secret walkway. Our hack going to Disneyland from Pixar Pal's parking lot, which is one of the parking lots of Disneyland, where you do not have to ride the tram or any buses. So yeah, I'm excited to show you guys. We'll walk you through it. You come join us as we walk together to Disneyland. Also, if you want to see our Disneyland with toddlers vlog, it's gonna come up next also. So just make sure you're subscribed and you hit that notification bell so that you are notified when it comes out. All right, Disneyland, here we come. Oh my gosh, guys, we're here at Pixar Pals and there's no one here. It's already 8 o'clock. The park is open. Yes, there it is. Just us here. So we just go up the ramp over here. I love that there's not too many people when we entered. I was expecting there's gonna be a line. I'm not sure if a lot of people see how empty that is. I'm not sure if a lot of people know about this. Alrighty, about to park. Here. This one fell asleep just now. Uh-oh. You can see from the stroller. Okay, we're gonna go dress up really quick, take a little snack, and we will be on our way. Ready? Hey guys. All right, we're walking now. Going to the elevator. I just saw everyone walking this way. 50C over there, 51C here. So we're walking. So the letters are going backwards, so that's how you know you're on the right track. While you're at the parking structure, don't forget to save your car location using the Disneyland app. Just navigate to the car locator feature and save your location. This has saved me from trying to figure out where I parked after a long, tiring day in the park. So you just pick the level and then you select the aisle and the section that you're at. That's it. It saves on your app and you just open the app once you're done at the parks. Hi guys. Hi. Oh, here it says Disney Parks this way. So turn right. This is the one from the Mickey Mouse parking lot. Mickey and Friends parking lot is over here. And we're here. We'll follow to Disney Parks.
I see them.
See Dory?
Yeah.
This is where we're going. Walkway to Disney Parks. To the elevator. Go over here. There's one on the other side too. Okay, which one's gonna open, guys? Which one do you think will open? Yeah? You think so? Me.
So shiny.
The elevator. Second floor. Oh, yeah. Thank you. There's the walkway over here. walkway. So here it is. Those are the elevator escalators, and here's the walkway. Such a nice day. It's almost 9 o'clock. Park's open already. We didn't make it to the rope drop because we had to eat breakfast.
We have to get close to it.
Yeah. Such a nice walk here. I feel like even if it's summer, it's gonna be cool here because of all these trees. We're here. What do you see?
Oh, this
What do you see? A bird?
Yeah.
Call him again.
They come down. They come down. They come down.
These two love the walk, obviously. It's already a treat just walking here, huh, guys? Because of the birds. There's benches too if you need to stop and just take a break. There's trash bins everywhere. And here's the monorail. Yeah, see that on the left side? And that's where you ride. If you want to hop on the monorail, you just go up there. Two other people are crossing the parking lot from there just to make it a little bit shorter because those are the guys in front of us. But honestly, it's the same thing. Plus, it's safer here, especially with these kids. There's no line. There is, but like just 9 people in security. And there's the entrance of Downtown Disney. Over here is cast member only, so we're not going there. I'm gonna go on this side. Okay, let me keep my phone because we're gonna do security. Security. We're gonna go through security, okay, guys? All set with security. Where are we, guys? Downtown Disney. Yeah. Earl of Sandwich on the left. What booth? Wait, You excited? I see the Lego store. The monorail over here on the left. What do you see, Troy? Woody! Lego Star is right over here, Troy boy. It's Belle and Beast. Remember we went in there the last time we were here? here on the right side is the entrance to Disney's Grand Californian Hotel. And this is also where you can find Storytellers Cafe. Adventure on the right side and Disneyland on the left side. We're here. Yeah, that's where we're gonna ride Ariel later. Under the sea. Alright. Love that. Peter Pan. Yeah, we should ride that first. So we're gonna go head into Disneyland and then we're gonna go straight to Fantasyland. We're here! So that walk wasn't bad, huh? It took maybe 15 minutes? 15, maybe 10 to 15 minutes or 10 to 20 minutes? Walk? Yeah? Did you like that walk?
Yes.
Yeah. Now we're gonna go on the rides.